Hey, what's up everyone? In this video, I want to run through some new changes to the MyListing pricing table switcher from the club. It is now a plugin instead of a set of code snippets. So it's going to be much easier to implement and maintain going forward. In this video, I'm also going to show you how it looks on all of the starter sites. So I've gone out and I've updated all the starter sites with this new plugin to replace the code snippets. So we're going to look at that. And let's run through this product page from top to bottom, just because it's been a while and some things have changed. So let's do that together here. It won't take very long, and then we'll see all of this stuff working on the front end. Okay. So as it says here, pricing table switcher, provide more payment options, generate more sales, create predictable income. By default, MyListing website owners don't have an elegant way to display monthly and annual plans within the pricing tables. Let's fix that. Without this add-on, customers might not know you have additional pricing options. This add-on lets customers instantly toggle between monthly and annual pricing options. So as this product is sold, you can do monthly and annual toggles. With a little bit of code work, you could do monthly and lifetime if you wanted. You just kind of know how to do. You need to know how to do a little bit of code to do that. So if you have a developer, they can easily fit this to your needs. But as it's sold, it is geared towards monthly and annual pricing, which is going to be the most typical. Okay. How it works, obtain it by purchasing, download, and install the add-on just like you would any other plugin. Personalize it, optionally adjust the styling to fit your MyListing website's requirements. It's very easy to personalize. Right out of the box, it's pretty much going to be ready to go for most sites. Enjoy. Level up your game by providing your users with more purchasing options. This video where we are recording right now, we'll go here in the intro section. Let's go through the FAQs. Do you offer support? Yes, just reach out if you have any issues. How do I add this to my site? Again, super simple. It's just a plugin. So if you've already obtain this add-on and you've gone the code snippet route, you can just reach out to me for either version of the plugin, either the monthly or annual version, which we'll get to here in a second, and I'll shoot you that plugin. Just make sure that you only run the plugin or the code snippets. Don't run both. Okay. The other key thing here is just make sure that your annual plans have the word annual somewhere in the title. Okay, for that annual toggle to kick in. Then we got some old instructions if you went the code snippet route, so we don't need those anymore. How do we default the switcher to annual pricing? So there's an alternate version of this plugin that will default to annual. So if we look at this on the front end, we see that it defaults to to monthly. The other version of this plugin, which you can ask me for, and I'll just shoot you over that copy, is it'll default to annual like this. So when visitors first hit your pricing page or your add listing page that displays your pricing, annual will be shown first. So you have two nice options there. Does this only work for monthly and annual? As I said there, if you have a developer, they can easily change this to be whatever you need it to be. But out of the box, it's for monthly and annual. How do I adjust the colors for my own website? The design, like I said, should be good to go for almost every website out there. In the rare case that you need to make adjustments, then you can come in here on the front end and you can inspect the elements and style them up yourself, just like you would adding CSS to any other element on your website. So that's the safest route to go. But you do have the option. I give you the files here, the exact file that you need to edit. Just know that if we release an update to this plugin in the future, that those changes are going to be lost. Okay, so totally up to you what you want to do there. So that's the old instructions. We don't need those anymore either for adjusting the colors. Can I see this on a live working MyListing website? Yeah, all of the starter sites have this implemented, which I will show you here in a second. How is this licensed? You can use this on as many websites as you want. Just make sure you purchase a copy if you're going to do this, if you're going to supply this to clients. It's just how we keep the prices for these add-ons so low. So just do the right thing, the right fair thing there. Purchase a copy if you're going to use it on additional websites for clients and whatnot. Okay. All right. So that is the product page. So here we're looking at Canvas. So you can see this is implemented there. Here's fit. A nice addition to fit is this gradient color is now added to the toggle, which wasn't there before. Okay. And so you get that. added to the CSS of the Fit Starter site. I can also get it to you if you need it. Here's Val. And everything is consistent. So when they toggle over to the annual side, that's when the accent color is going to kick in. In this case, the gradient, it's not really the accent color, but you kind of see that it fits the motif here, if you will. So Val, again, toggle over to annual. It's got the accent color. Basecamp's got a nice little color here because it's a dark, kind of like a dark mode look. So I wanted to put a little color here on the monthly background. But when you toggle over to annual, you get the full accent color. Reach, accent color on toggle. Charlotte, accent color on toggle. Okay, so that's all the starter sites. Looking at the back end of this site, so this is just a copy of Canvas, and we go into WP Codebox, we no longer see the code snippets for the pricing table switcher. Those are completely gone. If we go over to plugins, we'll see that those code snippets have been replaced by the pricing table switcher plugin, which is active here. Now, like I said, if you want to default to annual, I'll show you what that looks like. So you just deactivate this version of the plugin. We activate annual. Refresh this page. So this is how it looks by default. Let's refresh the page. There we go. So we see it defaults to annual now. All right, guys, those are the exciting changes for the pricing table switcher. And hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.